Come here, woman. Let me lick that booty. I'm here. In the background. Chilling in my chair. Boop, 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 boop. Hi! What up, man? Whoa, shit. I wasn't a bitch. Ah!
Oh, he came back like...
I was dying. Knock, knock.
Who's there, man?
Nobody. We're all gonna die.
Oh.
Ah, sweet. Ah, dude, you're such a dick. He's like, I'm going to trap parents in Pigpen like they did me. Ha 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 ha. Oh, dude, it's about to get Celtically epic again. We're gonna go in blind. Let's fucking go. Ah!
That was heck.
You're a pain in my ass. Oh. Oh, belly rubs. Look at me just stick my dick right out there. Oh. Holy fuck! Dude, thank you! I haven't had bits in a while! He's giving me bitties like titties! It's a fucking clubhouse! Captain Furball is a piece of shit! It's very real.
No.
I'm just kidding. Step 1, love yourself. I'm being judged. This guy judged me. I'm just kidding. Chat touched me.
Let me talk. Where's Madden? What's that bot kid? Damari.
Okay. I have to go. I'm gonna step out of the lobby.
Tell him to,
love you guys. I don't know what happened, but I have to go. I got the scared. The anxiety. He's all feeling big right now. He's like, I'm Kim Jong-un, bitch. Where's Dennis Rodman? I hit the fucking wall. Get the fuck back, bitch. Now I gotta eat lunch. I prefer an all-vegan diet. You got me out here eating chicken. Yeah, I'm a girl, cause, that's a smaller hitbox. Look at that shit. Yeah, next level. Fuck that. It's 2019. Don't judge me.